Okay, I heard a boom, and I came outside, and look, there's a big tree down. I don't know if you can see that well, but that's my neighbor's house, and that's our telephone line right there, and the line going across the street to the neighbor's house. I know they don't have any phone service either, and that is the big tree. We were wondering which way it was going to fall when it did fall, but it's huge, and it's down. And this is the rest of the neighborhood. Look at these icicles, huge. It is a winter wonderland. It's quiet. Nobody's outside, of course, except for me, and I'm back in the house. Bye-bye.